add a table of contents to your Microsoft Word document. So in this document we've got headings, but as you can see when I click on the heading, they're formatted as normal. Microsoft Word doesn't know that they're supposed to be a heading. So what we need to do first is actually format them in a heading style. So we're choosing the default heading 1 heading style. So I'm just going to go through and format the rest of the headings in this document. And you can also include the heading for bibliography if you wish. Now that we've got all our headings formatted as headings, we need to insert a page where we're going to put the table of contents. So click and then go to Layout, Breaks, Next Page. Now this page is going to be where the table of contents will appear. So clicking onto that page, and then in the ribbon click on References, and to the left Table of Contents. You'll see you've got a selection, Table 1, Table 2 or Manual Table. And for this demonstration I'm just going to use the default Table 1. So you see it's picked up all our text that's been formatted in heading style 1. And you'll notice that you can click on the page number and do a control click and it'll take you directly to that page. So if someone is reading your article on their computer, they can go directly to a page by clicking on the page number and then doing control click. A lot easier than just typing a table of contents. Much easier. Thank you for watching.